Yo, yo. Tuesday stream gold live. Let's see what we can do today. So as usual, I'll start with a top-down analysis and go from there. Bullish. The main thing that I can see right now is on the daily, we're getting smaller bodies, right? Which could be an indication of, volume slowing down on this bullish momentum. So let's drop back to the 4-hourly and see if it shows anything. So I've hit a level of consolidation to a degree through here. Back to the 1-hourly. Sorry, one sec. Check. I can't tell if music's playing now. One sec. Oh, there it is. Cool. I'm back. The 1-hourly starting to move back up. I'll straight away mark this high level, all-time high. I shall also mark this level. What's this range here? 25 pips. Not bad. I'm not gonna lie, I might even take a sell at the break at this level. It's looking kind of juicy. Yeah, I like that for a sell at the break of this wick here. Move this up a touch. Oh yeah, I just got tagged in there. I'd be interested. Yeah, it looks like this should continue down, or at least give a decent push. I'm trying to find reasons why it shouldn't. There's that push there. I went a bit lighter on the lot size because it's not like the super strong setup, but it definitely was a setup. It's definitely a setup. There's a bit of like a mid-range support resistance level here, but it's kind of broken through that. The only thing is, it's like, what's the probability of this 4 hour leaving a big wick like this? That's the only thing. But we're in now, there's no going back. Yeah, that 15 there wasn't able to close kind of below that mid-range, which is a bit not ideal. Not ideal. Yeah, I moved my stop right down. I wasn't liking the way that was looking, especially how the 15 closed. It was not ideal. Kind of rejected this mid-range. It could just be using that as like a new support level for a continuation up. So I may wait and just see if I can get one more opportunity to take position. If not, I'll just leave it. But yeah, it was a good call cutting my loss sooner than I needed to. If the trade doesn't look like it's going to go your way, I'd rather just cut it sooner than later. There's no point holding on with hope, like, oh man, I hope this turns around. And then you just lose more than you need to. What's up, little Domingo? What is up, my dude? I'm just waiting for a potential opportunity to arise for maybe buys. Have you taken any trades today? I think bullish, Domingo. I think bullish, but just waiting for a bit more of a signal for... Have you traded today? Have you caught anything? I'm thinking potential buys above this area here. I'm just going to invite someone onto the stream. Yeah, we should get back up to the all-time highs. I'm just going to black out my screen real quick and send an invite. Whoops. Yeah, all-time highs. Yeah, we should. Like, look at that. That's that gap up right there. This tiny gap here indicates volume. Oh, you were trading yesterday. 2574. Oh, you caught what, the very bottom here? If you caught the bottom here, my dude, frick me. Caught this nice move all the way up. 100 pips. 100 Pipovskis. 2574. How did you get stopped at break even if you got it? If you got it right here, a buy. Or down here maybe. Here, I'm assuming. This is a 5 minute. Yeah, I just caught a small L here. I entered a sell right here, started to come down and then kind of rejected off that area, and I cut my losses short. There's no point holding it. Higher time frames indicate that it wants to continue up. but I need confirmation. I need something like this, then a retest for a continuation. Yo, yo. Can you hear me? Why can't I hear you? Is the real question. Why can I not hear you? Oh, I can hear you now.
Oh, you can hear me now?
Yeah, what did you do?
Okay, good. I just changed the microphone to come through the computer, I'm assuming.
Oh.
Yeah.
Excellent. Excellent stuff. What's happening?
Not much. I've just got my trade running in my new 10K account, so it's nice and fresh. Feels good.
What's this? I'm gonna ask this Domingo in the chat. Can you hear her? If you can, let us know in the chat if you can hear it. It's all good. Is it GBP USD?
In
a buy position?
Yeah.
Nice. First
Yeah, I've got
trade.
my partials at the top of that. Those candles there. Yeah, it's my partials, and then my full TP is going for the next high, which is like a fair way.
This week?
Kind of like just at the top of the candle, not the wicks, but like the top of the candle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh yeah, sweet. Yep, audio's all good. Nice.
Yeah. Cool.
What's the percentage? Like, what's the actual dollar value for a 10K that you got?
Like the risk. I'm risking 1%, so $100.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I was gonna risk 2, but I was like, I'm gonna be conservative this time.
Yeah.
Just go for 1.
Have you got the YouTube open on your actual computer as well?
I can see your screen though. It's just because the YouTube will be delayed, so it'll look really weird for me.
Oh well. Anyway, our mate says, "Hello, Elo. Is this your partner trader?"
Who is it?
Oh, his name's Lil Domingo. He's from Mongolia, I believe.
Oh, love it. Hi. I can't see the chat or anything, so.
You should just open it.
Yeah.
It's not like you have to like look at it. Just.
Oh no. Find out.
So I just took a little L.
Just now?
Yeah, I cut it short. So I'm just gonna wait.
Ooh. Oh wait. That sounded a bit weird for a second. There, okay. Oh, okay, I can see the chat. Wow. Cool.
Yeah, I'll show you the L. So I entered here, it started to come down, then kind of faked me out and came back up. I originally had my stop loss up here, but I was like, it just doesn't look good, so I moved it down to here. Luckily.
much? What was the risk?
Oh, it was like 120, but I took it at 60.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Yo.
Then I have to just let my trade run because I think.
How much are you gonna like? How much do you gain off this trade?
If it gets to my partials, I'll closing 75%, so that'll be like $87, so just under 1%.
Yeah, nice.
And then I don't know how much it'll leave for full TP, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, we've got core retail sales news at 10:30, I believe. Yeah, 10:30.
Yeah, I'll be done by then.
Same.
I was stupid last week and I took another trade even though I was telling myself that I wouldn't take another one if I get 1% or more.
What day is this?
Friday.
Oh, didn't
Yeah.
Oh no, you finished on
I
that.
had 3 wins, 3 losses, but I was still in profit for the week, so I was like, cool.
Yeah, nice. Little Domingo, I don't know. We'll be done by then. That'll be the New York session. We'll be done by then. And we don't trade news anymore.
Anymore.
I had my days of putting a buy stop and a sell stop above and below the candle are gone. God damn it! So much pain.
No more.
Yeah, no more. No more. So I'm kind of looking for a close above this area here for a potential buy.
Yeah. What am I looking at? I can't see much. I was gonna wait for it to. I always wait for it to come back down and retest, but it will probably.
Are you talking about gold?
Yeah.
Where do you want? Where do you want to see a retest?
The section that I had marked, there's not much liquidity, so if I was looking, I'd be looking for a buy from a resistance area.
Well, this is the next resistance area here.
Oh, support. I mean, support from the bottom area. I'm almost at partials.
Nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Take that money.
And it's set to break even after partials, so
yeah.
Trade might be done.
You're free to fly around like a bird.
Yeah.
You're free.
What's been happening?
Oh, so much.
Yeah.
I'll tell you in person.
Yeah. Wait, so did you take an L before you jumped on stream?
No, I pretty much as soon as I jumped on. As soon as I jumped on, I seen this formation here, and then this red candle that had broke it. The next one came up and wicked up, and I was like, oh yeah, I'll catch on the way down.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I was just trying to catch like literally this here.
So I trade with the trend. I used to, I guess.
But then you got to ask yourself, is that a trend?
Yeah.
Or is it just a couple candles moving up? Because if you zoom out a bit, we're technically just consolidating for the last couple of days.
Yeah.
And it's just bouncing
well,
in between.
You know what I look at? If 4-hour candles, if there's at least like 3 or 4 bullish ones, I'll be looking for buys.
Yeah, but there's not.
Same with. No. But I mean, I'd call that candles bullish. I'd be looking for buys still.
My only reservation was the fact that what's the probability of this candle wicking all the way back down to here? Which was a low probability, hence why I lost. The target for gold. Well, there's no target just yet because we haven't taken a trade just yet. But if I get a closure here, a wick down, the next target will be right here. Right there. That's a clean 20 pip range. I'll take it.
Oh, is it gonna close my partials? It's like pushing out. Hey, partials taken and my trade is free.
Yes, you're free.
I am free. So if it hits my TP, it'll be another $60.
Oh, look at it pushing.
I'm gonna move my stop loss to 1 pip so
Yeah,
it doesn't give me like a little loss.
for sure.
I'm not sure. This is with a different prop firm, so I'm not sure if it'll.
Oh, who's this one?
Alpha Capital.
Oh, yeah.
There's that other firm. I'm just like not.
They're such alphas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alphas. They're good though. They're
Yeah, I've
more
heard of them
reliable.
before. Yeah.
More reliable. They're UK one.
Oh, UK.
See, I'm 1% up, and I kind of want to just close it, but I'm like, no. I'm gonna...
Hold it. Hold the fort.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go. It's a very clean trade. See, this is what happens when I'm patient.
Yep.
I get good trades. Like, a majority of my losses in the past 2 weeks have been trading out of my session or being impatient.
Yep.
So,
That's where it all occurs.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I caught a little win yesterday and packed up.
Yesterday? Oh, Monday.
Yeah, which is alright for a bloody Monday.
Yeah, I didn't get anything. Didn't end up taking anything. But then I couldn't because my accounts, they're migrating. Is it migrating? Yeah, they're migrating the accounts.
They have to give you that account back at break even, like, surely.
Nah, they're doing it at the amount it was at.
Really? Is that what they said? Oh.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
You would think it'd
So
almost be
I
more
know,
difficult for them to do that.
It got down to literally like, how much was left? It was at 181, I think. 181,500 was the lowest it got to. And now I'm back up to 188. So I think I can get myself to break even shortly.
Yeah.
When I get the account, obviously. Just gotta be smart. If I keep with the same risk management, then I should be good. Yeah, I haven't looked at news.
Fuck news. We'll be gone by then. We'll let the New York people stress out.
Yeah.
That's one thing I'm kind of glad I don't trade in that time zone because it's like that's when all the news hits.
Yeah, New York's very volatile as well.
It's good because you get crazy moves, and if you kind of master that, I'm sure that people are loving it. But
Yeah.
yeah, I'll pass. How's that scammer today that I showed you?
Oh, I know.
It's so crazy because by the end of it, like I was talking to him a bit more and he's like, please forgive me. I was like, brother, I forgive you, but you got to stop this shit. He's like, I'm just fucked. I have no money. And I'm like, bro, you need to get a skill set. I get a job.
Yeah.
And then he's like, he ended up following me on YouTube and he's like, yeah, I'll join the stream. And I was like, learn to trade. Because it turns out he doesn't even know how to trade at all.
Oh, yeah.
Like at
Like,
all.
he could be making that money if he just learned the skill set instead of being forced to scam people. Like,
crazy.
poor guy.
It's like if you're going to be a scammer in the trading industry, at least like know a little bit about trading. Like he knew nothing. He's just like, this should be all right.
Yeah.
Oh, crazy. Gold, you gonna give us anything, bruh?
I'm off to an okay start, so.
Very
Not
nice. Very nice. If you can pass that one, I reckon that'll be so good for your confidence.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I just need a little bit of extra income. And if I can show myself.
Wrong mindset.
If you... What's that?
Wrong mindset.
Yeah. Consistency. I can get consistent payouts. Really. That's the goal. It's all patience as well, because you've got to wait 2 weeks to get a payout.
Fuck payouts. Don't even think about that.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I mean, if you can pass one, you can pass another
10.
one. Yeah.
10 at once. Look, my YouTube's blowing up. Okay, blowing up in the sense of me. Look, I got 37 followers. I had like 20 this week. Because trading's a pretty niche. Look at this video of us. 530.
Yeah.
For live trading, that's pretty insane. And then a couple of these short videos. Look at this one. 430, 515.
I think once you start, like anything, once you start posting and streaming more consistently, they'll probably start pushing it out to more people.
Yeah, more consistent with it.
And because people are interacting now, they'll probably start pushing it. Like, just keep pushing all the videos. I don't know.
Yeah, and it's just like, yeah. And I think you just got to be just make decent content. And just keep doing it. Show up every day.
Too.
Like porn. Oh.
On your YouTube, I'm not sure.
YouTube
sure that
Premium.
Get past YouTube Premium. Yeah. YouTube X.
Huh.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, you've seen the other guy's YouTube.
Who's that?
The one you had on the stream the other day.
Joe.
Other week.
I wonder if he wants to join the stream. Oh, actually, I better not. I can't be too long today because the star is here.
What's that?
Actually, I would have asked him, but I can't be too long today because my niece is here.
Oh, no. No, it's fine. I still gotta do uni.
Yeah.
Are you not seeing anything?
Just potentially a closure up here. Then I'll look at a buy.
Market's very weird.
Well, whenever it's hovering around these all-time highs, like it's just edging it.
Yeah.
There's going to be a lot of like
looking for
indecision.
Yeah, I might be looking for a buy as well if it comes at 6 o'clock, if it comes and retests the 5 p.m. liquidity area.
So there's this mid-range here as well, which is it tapped back into, because that was where I seen. So I was like, once I realized my 15 candle, I entered here. It came down and then closed back above that level. It's basically when I got out, because I was like, it couldn't break that level. See you later, I'm out.
Yeah, I want it to retest that area.
This area right here?
Yeah. And then get my FBG and go up.
But what about this resistance here?
Which, hold on, so I'm looking at one minute. Well, yeah, I want it to, is that the 1 hour? On the 1 hour?
This is 30, this is the 1 hour. You can see 1 hour's wicked out here 3 times.
Yeah, I want it to come down again and then back up. But that's, yeah, we'll see.
Yo.
That dog that you posted is so cute.
That's my sister's.
It's adorable.
Yeah, I've had to look after him for the last couple of days. Little bucko.
Yeah, it makes me miss my dog. My dog's like a Shih Tzu and he's fluffy, and I'm like,
Oh, real.
I miss him so much.
Little Shih Tzu.
Yeah. Is the one you're looking after a Shih Tzu?
I think it's a Maltese Shih Tzu, yeah.
Yeah, that's the same as my dog.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the dogs I grew up with as well. Maltese Shih Tzus.
They're so cuddly.
Gold, you really want to play with this, bruh? I might look for giving my trade a second chance if I get a break of the 30 around
Well,
here.
that's kind of what I want. I want it to come down.
Yeah, but you want it to come down and wick back up, right?
Yeah.
Where this 30 minutes got 6 minutes before it closes. If it closes down here,
Do you think it'll keep pushing down?
I personally think there's a high probability of that happening, but we'll have to wait and see.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna just watch it because I've got my trade and I'm happy with that. But if there's an opportunity on gold that looks like A+, then
Yeah.
yeah, I might enter it. Oh gosh.
Golly gosh.
My gosh, yeah.
How's Sid?
It's alright. I'm
Do you
just
miss Briz?
staying at home doing uni. So
Do you miss being at Brisbane or anything?
a little bit. I miss my dog. Yeah, I do. I love Brizzy. I know a lot of people up there.
Oh, she's connected to the mafia.
Well, I don't know. I love Sydney as well, but I can't afford it. Once I'm rich, then I'll probably move down here.
Definitely expensive. Wait, I'll be back in 1 sec. Don't stress. I'm blowing up. Oh, so good. Actually, hang on. I just clicked record. In case we say something interesting, I'm recording it.
Ah.
Because if I press record it, like records it and then saves it onto my computer as in like high definition, as opposed to me like trying to screen record and do all this dodgy shit.
Yeah, that's why I was doing screen recording. Goal's looking promising to give me an entry, but
If it rejects up,
yeah.
surely you've got to take into consideration that there's this strong level of resistance right along here.
Wait.
Like to take a buy before that.
But it could go back up to that level.
Oh, you mean you're taking a buy with anticipation to take profits here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
What's
'cause
the
I'll
range?
Get,
Oh, I guess, yeah, it's fucking like 20 pips or something. 25 pips.
yeah, it's not bad. I don't need it.
That's heaps. That is a lot.
What's a lot?
Pipperoonies. Oh
20
man.
pips.
Oh, for me it is.
20 pips isn't much for me.
It just, yeah.
20 pips stock off on gold for me is like, seems small.
Yeah, 10. I'll bloody take it at 10, mate. Give me 10 pips. No. A minute and a half. I might actually. Man, if I just held my position, I would have just not got. I had my stop here, so I would have just been safe. But it's still got a minute. It could reject back up. You know, in that last minute, it moves a lot.
Yeah, it's just got into that zone. And there's a nice FPG. That's exactly what I want.
Enter then. Yeah, it's rejecting.
I'm gonna set a buy stop. I usually don't take two positions at once, but one's risk-free and I've already taken profits, so...
Yeah, it's rejecting off it. She's rejecting.
Yeah, so my stop loss would be 30 pips.
Holy shit.
I'm gonna see how it reacts in this.
30 pips is like here somewhere.
Ooh. You know, I left the lot size to risk $300.
Is that how much you're risking?
No.
Oh.
No, not at all.
It still couldn't close below this area though. On the 30 minutes, it's actually like there. Still couldn't close below that. It could just be creating a bit of a bottom wick now for a continuation up. Or, who knows?
I need it to like close above my FPG or just keep pushing up a little bit more.
Yeah.
Is the 4 hour bullish?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So 1 hour.
4 hours bullish, yeah. And it's like the probability of that 4 hour wicking all the way down seems a bit low.
Yeah.
Like I remember yesterday seeing this one and thinking that's pretty rare to see that wick that much.
I'm not like...
Are you in yet?
No.
Okay.
I'm still waiting.
Don't stress then. It actually looks, yeah, it does look good on the 1 hour even for potential buyers. I might even set a buy stop too, to be honest, if I see something. No, I bet not.
Can't decide where to go. I find gold and GU usually do move kind of similar.
Because they're both
Fine,
against
like
the
a lot
US
of the
dollar.
Yeah, so I find a lot of the time if gold's moving well, GU's also moving well.
Yeah, because if there's any fundamental catalyst that's moving the US dollar, it's going to impact both.
still haven't set it yet because I might push down and create another FPG. Being very indecisive.
How long has this 4 hour got? Just under an hour.
Yeah, 7 o'clock is when it closes.
I could honestly see it just fucking around here for the next hour. Damn, it broke that low. I should have held.
Oh, well.
I don't give a fuck.
Small loss.
The thing is, it's just like, I'd rather just stick to the plan and lose less.
Exactly. Stick to your plan.
Yeah, if it's not looking...
You will win.
Because the thing is, if it's not looking good 99% of the time, it would have taken you out. It's like that fucking 1% that does, and it's just like...
Yeah, that's something that I'm not good with when I have losses. Like, I know it's not running well, but a lot of the time I want to hold it in case it reverses rather than getting out, like, early.
Tom Hogarth, in that book I read, he says, when traders are in drawdown, they're hopeful, and when they're at profits, they're fearful.
Yeah.
And it should be the opposite way.
Yeah. I feel that 100%. Because in a way, I'm actually fearful of taking another trade because I'm in profit, but I'm also like, if it's good, then I shouldn't have to worry.
Nope. Exactly. Lil Domingo's selling at 84.48. Where's 84.48? 84.48. Interesting time to sell. Very interesting.
My buy stop would be at 85.
Yeah, that's where Ella's buy stop will be. So let's see who's right. I find it very difficult to see why it would want to go back down if it goes all the way back up to 84.48. But who knows in this world we live in? Who bloody knows? Lil Domingo could be the Wizard of Oz.
Maybe.
The interesting thing I would take into consideration for potential buyers, the only thing to counter that is it is making lower lows on the 30. So it's making lower low, and potentially lower highs as well. Take profit is at Asian low. Very interesting. Well, best of luck to you, my friend.
What's the strategy?
What's that?
What's the strategy? The person is in the chat.
What's the strategy, Lil Domingo? What is...
That's such a cool name.
What's the go? The ladies want to know. That's like, honestly, that's my pickup line in clubs is like, yeah.
What's your strategy?
Yeah. I tell the chicks my strategy in the club. They love it. Oh, that's right. He uses delta and things like that. I think delta's like the indicator that shows. You can't do it in Forex, but I'm pretty sure it's the indicator that it shows you when buyers and sellers are in. And it shows you like when more buyers are doing and when more sellers. And you would think, oh, okay, look, I can see that more sellers are heavy right now. And you take a sell.
Oh, yeah.
But it doesn't really work like that. I never see the candles. Wow, interesting. Completely disregards technical analysis. That's pretty cool. But sometimes see the bar. Yeah, it's very interesting. I'm going to be honest. Everyone thinks I trade, but this is actually how I trade on this chart.
What? Oh my gosh.
That's actually the chart that I use. Sorry, guys. I've been lying this whole time.
Yeah, I'm gonna place it.
You taking a buy?
Yeah, it's got my buy stop set. My stop loss is just below where it wicked.
Yeah, nice.
But obviously, if it keeps moving down, it probably won't trigger.
Is your buy at the break of that 30?
85.3.
Let's have a look. 85.3. 85.3 is all the way up here.
Mm-hmm.
Your next resistance is fucking 9 pips away.
I like it though.
Okay.
Gold's very bullish, so.
Yeah, fair
like,
enough.
GU kind of had a similar setup and it pushed right through, so I have.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Right. But if it's a loss, that is a-okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting things.
I'm not sure it's going to trigger.
Asia highs, I think, let's have a look when Asia highs were right here. So it's come back up, tested that level, and we're getting some sort of rejection. I might be with Lil Domingo, to be honest. If this one breaks like this, the next one wicks up and then continues. Nah, actually, I don't expect it to wick that far. Let's just see. Let me just see what my indicators say. Oh, you can't use more than two indicators.
Really?
On the free software. I was gonna try and add like 50 freaking indicators. How do I get rid of this shit now? There you go. Well, London hasn't really taken Asia highs yet. It kind of just tapped up there and rejected. It actually hasn't closed above Asia highs yet.
If it keeps pushing down, obviously I'll cancel it.
Yeah, if this 15 closes down like this, it's should be a pretty strong indication. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 4 hour to close, I think.
Bill 7?
I think so.
It's not.
It's very rare you see a 4 hour with a massive wick. Like, that's probably the biggest wick I've seen in the last fucking couple of weeks. Yeah, session highs and session lows. I agree with you, it is important, but I must admit I don't really pay attention.
No, I have no idea about session highs and lows.
Yeah, because they definitely are important, but they will generally just bounce off areas that are already important.
Mm.
Like this is Asia session high here, but it's
Which one?
coincidentally right here.
Oh, okay.
But it's also already bounced off this wick. This one's rejected it. There's a wick here. There's a bit of support here. Asia session low.
Mm.
It's already bounced off this key area. So 35 seconds for this 15 to close.
Mm.
If the 4-hour candle was more fresh, I would take a sell potentially, but I'm not going to.
Is it cold up in Brisbane? It's been so cold here.
Yes, it actually is.
Yeah, okay.
It actually is.
Yeah, because I went to the beach the other day and it was super windy and it was so cold and I was just like trying to hold it together, but it didn't stay for long. It's way too cold.
Yeah. Proper. So this news tonight is going to be very interesting because it's going to either force us to continue to break new highs.
I think it'll push up.
Or it's going to give a lot of potential to fill this 500 pip range. But Ella has her crystal ball and she is predicting a push.
Predict the future.
Yeah. Man, cells look nice on everything but the 4-hour. And the 4 hour is probably the fucking most important, so. What's your plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, more uni. Pilates, usual.
Yeah.
You got much happening?
Oh, I got a bit on. I'll talk on the phone, but
Yeah.
because I might end this stream in a minute, in a little bit, just because my niece is here.
Yeah. How's that been?
Oh, it's been good. Yeah, it's been good having a but if you're around tomorrow, jump on to Mozza.
I've got Pilates 6:15 again. So
Ah, 6:15. Yeah.
It's pretty late.
Yeah, we'll see how the session's going.
Yeah.
See how the session's going.
See, on the 1 minute, it's kind of rejected off this same like low point 3 times. So I think it's gonna try and keep pushing up, but then again, like
On the 1 minute.
it fills the FEG that I've got. It could reverse, but I think like it's so bullish. I'm like, and it's been creating highs. Yeah.
This is the 1 minute chart.
And see how it's like retested that area like 3 different times.
This area. Yeah, I think if it's going to do anything, it's going to move up rather than down.
Yeah. It's all-time highs. People are just going to keep buying.
Are you still looking at a potential entry up here?
Yeah. I'm gonna see how it moves though.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'll talk to you soon anyway, and we'll see if you can, or if you jump on after Pilates or something.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right.
Alright, have a good night.
You too. I'll talk to you in a bit.
Yeah, talk soon.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
See you stream. I'll be back tomorrow.